Hi, welcome again. And in this brief video, we are going to learn about creating a numerical question on Moodle. So I have this option, numerical, and we add. So the idea is uh, I am looking for a numerical answer after calculation of, let us say, solving a circuit or some equation, anything like a mechanical set of equation, and I'm expecting some answer 32.534. So student will be given a question text. So I am writing, this is my numerical type question. You can select the category and here you can write the text. What is the node voltage at point A? Okay. So now I can give my circuit diagram here by inserting an image, or just you can write some equations that solve these equations for x, y, z, and what is the value of x. The restriction here is I can ask only one answer. I cannot ask x, y, z, all three. So that option will be later. We'll discuss what type of question can be used for that. So right now we are giving a circuit diagram and we are asking what is the voltage at point A. Fine. So default marks can be anything that you decide. And here we write the answer. So my answer is 34 volts and I can give an error tolerance. So I can say, okay, if someone is missing the answer by, let us say, 0.5 volt, so 33.9 or 34.2, all those can also be accepted. So this is my 100% weightage. If you think that students will calculate something else also, like if we are asking what are the roots of a quadratic equation and the two roots are 5 and 3, so one answer is 5 and other is 3 and we are asking only one of them, so we cannot ask both right now in this option. So one root is 34 and other root is 21. There also I am giving an error tolerance of zero point 0.5 and this is also 100%. So I save it and then we preview. So this is a numerical type question and we preview it. So we are asking what is the node voltage, and actually we changed that there are two possible answer. One is 34. So instead of 34 I write 34.4 and I submit and it is correct. I try 34.6 and this is not accepted because my tolerance was only for 0.5. My second correct answer was 21, so I try with 20.8 and this is also accepted and I am giving full marks. So this is how we can create numerical questions, very helpful for numerical type of questions in a lot of subjects. The only restriction which I find here is you can only ask for one solution. So is there a way that I can still use it? So what you can do, you just make a duplicate. So let us show what we are saying. So I have this question and I am asking what are the two, or there are three voltages A, B, C. Okay, in the first one I am asking what is the node voltage at point A. You just duplicate it, edit and click duplicate, and here everything will remain same. If you have inserted one image here, if you have inserted a set of equation, anything, everything will remain same. You just say what is the node voltage at B and you give the answer of point B, and there is only one answer. I am removing these. So the second answer is 25 and this is my question, numerical type. I did not change the name, so by default Moodle will change the name like this, and I preview it, and at point B my voltage is 25 So this way, if you are looking for multiple answers from a single question, this is one possible way, but there is a better way also, which we will learn in the next video. So I hope a simple numerical type question creation is clear. Thank you everyone.